Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my gratis haul to share with you. So this is basically what's been accumulating for the month of March, maybe a little bit at the end of February, and I got some really good things I'm excited to show you. And these videos are always fun to film because sometimes I forget or I just don't know some of the things that I'm getting. And yeah, I mean, who doesn't like getting free stuff? So if you don't know what gratis is, it's basically free product that you get from your place of work. In my case, that's Sephora. You typically find this in the beauty industry. So it's product they give you so that you can try about it, speak about it, and basically be more educated by using the products. So you are supposed to, you know, use them, be able to talk to clients about it, and it's a great fun perk of working at Sephora. So without further ado, let's dive right into the gratis. I just have to take a little sip of my Zevia. I sauteed some spinach right before and ate it really quick because I was like starving after work, and I put a little bit too much garlic salt on it so it was a little salty. First things first, I'm going to show you this little box from Amika. So this was for those who were trained on the brand, and in my particular store we just recently got like an expansion. So we used to only have like dry shampoo essentially, and finally we got more products from them. And I also got to try out their waiver. It's the what's it called? Oh shit, I'll pop a picture up on the screen. I can't remember what it's called. High Tide, I think, or something like that. I love it so much. So I have this other waiver that I used today, but my hair just like falls flat. Something about the Amika one, even with no product, it was so cute and it stayed wavy. So I really want to get one. Shout out. So yeah. So this little guy is super cute. It came with 5 different products. We have the Cure Repair Shampoo. We have the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I'm excited about that. This one I'm probably most excited about. It's called the Wizard. This is a detangling primer. Looks like that. The next is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I really like this one. And then we also have the Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. So 5 little things to try out. I'm very excited, and all of their products are cruelty free. So I'm really excited to try all of these products out. So cute. All right, and we have this little bag, which is filled with a lot of goodies. I'm so excited. So first we've got this, which this could kind of come in handy because it's like a little zipper bubble thing. So if you were mailing something, you could use this. But I also thought about too, if I have any like minis that I'm flying with that are glass or breakable, I could actually put them in this because it's clear, you know. Oh, the primer's in the rest of the bag with the stuff because they had to take out and scribe it. So this was the Smashbox primer, and it came with this. This is Behind Every Great Face. Oh, so it's got like a sticky back on it. Maybe that's for your phone. It's really slim, and then it's a mirror. That's interesting. I thought at first it was a pop socket, but it looks like it's a mirror, so you could really stick that to anything, I guess, but you could stick it to a phone case. That's cute. So that was for the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I honestly get this kind of often, so I usually wind up putting this in a giveaway. That's probably what I'm going to do. It's not my personal favorite primer, but I know a lot of people will really love this, like hardcore love this primer and won't use anything else. So it's not my bag, but I do have one. I keep it in my drawer in case I want to give it a shot, and it does work well with a lot of foundations. So I'll put this aside. Next I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I was really excited to see that we were getting this. It says it's hydrating and glowing radiance. So it looks like you shake it up because it's some oils in there. Oh, that smells so good. I feel like I'm gonna go through this quick because I really like the smell of it. And so far I like everything that I've tried from Glow Recipe. I'm so in love with the avocado sleeping mask. It's my jam. It's so good. Next, I'm so excited. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I tried this out in store just on the back of my hand, and I wish you guys could see what I'm seeing because through the light it's like this like light green color, but this feels so good on the hand. It feels hydrating, but at the same time it feels very smoothing without being matte. So I really like this, and it definitely has like a little bit of like a grippy little tackiness to it, but I really love that in a primer. I'm very excited about both of these. Couple foundations. First I have the NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Oslo. It kind of drives me crazy that this lid is all flying. Like if you straighten it, it's like loose and you can't tighten it enough to make it straight the other way. Or maybe I can. I probably just broke it. At any rate. So that's Oslo. I've never tried the Sheer Glow. I love the Radiant Longwear one so much, but I haven't tried this guy, so excited to do so. And then I also got the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I don't know if this is my color. It looks a little darker in person versus what you guys are seeing. And I know the other shade I got was pretty decent, but I think this is darker. So this may be a good self-tan for the summer since it's a matte finish as well. Also, when we got trained on Amika, we got a couple of these little tiny guys, which are going to be great to travel with. We got the Perk Up Dry Shampoo and the Undone Texture Spray. I will very likely take both of these to New York with me when I go, but absolutely taking the dry shampoo for sure because I use that a lot. I got from Murad, this is the Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. So excited about this. So this is your step 4. It says it's an overnight chronopeptide and tri-enzyme treatment. Boosts hydration, smooth appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even skin tone that looks well rested by morning. Okay. So I guess you use this after your moisturizer. So that's cool. I did feel this in store too when I was trained on it, and it feels so nice on the skin. I got from NARS. This is the Orgasm Oil Infused Lip Tint. That's what it looks like. I probably should have taken my lip off before I filmed this because I've had that bad boy on all day. Let's put this on. Ooh, that feels really nice. Ooh, that like fixed my crusty liquid lip situation. Another thing from NARS, this is the Climax Mascara. This is one of my favorites. I do believe I have a full-size tube of this, so this might also go into the giveaway. I'm thinking it will be because I'm pretty sure I have one. I also got the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I love that one as well. These are both two of my like all-time favorite mascaras, and I have like a drawer, I can see it, where I've got literally unopened mascaras, so there will definitely be mascara in the giveaway for sure. So I got from Bobbi Brown, this is the Crushed Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Smoothie Move. So I feel like it's kind of getting trendy now for like a liquid lip that doesn't dry down. Like they've been out there, but I feel like they're becoming just a little bit more popular. That's a really pretty color. I got a couple things from Fenty. So I got the Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 120. Currently, I am mixing 110 and 140, which I believe are both cool undertones. So I can't quite remember why I picked this one. But anyway, we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully it'll be the right color. I did swatch it and I picked the shade, so if it's wrong, it's totally my fault. And then I got the Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 100. She is light. I don't care about this makeup because I've had it on all day already. She's there. And we love a good bright under eye. All right. Let's try to ignore the fact that I look really weird right now. Anyway, I got from Dior, this is the Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper, and this is in 001. This one really shows up clear. It's a really nice lip plumper. I love the texture of this too. It's not like a sticky, tacky gloss. It feels very smooth. Honestly, has a similar texture to the NARS. I'm so excited about both of these. These are like my summer go-to. I want a gloss, but I don't want it to be so sticky that my hair is getting like stuck in it. So I like both of those. Two things from Too Faced. One of them is another mascara. This is the Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I need to do like a mascara giveaway. Is that a thing? Would you guys be interested? Maybe like 3 or 4 winners and everybody gets a mascara. I also have the Too Faced Hangover Spray in the small guy. I think I'll also take this one to New York because this is a 1 ounce bottle. Make sure the sprayer is good. Ooh, she's a little heavy-handed, but she's good. Got a Stila liquid lip. This is the Stay All Day liquid lip in the shade Fiore, I think is how you pronounce that. I think they're like Italian names. There is that color. That's really pretty for spring and summer. And finally, I got 2 items from Benefit. First is the Hoola Light Bronzer. Believe it or not, I have not had a Hoola bronzer. I think I had like a mini tiny one, but I decided to go for the light because it's kind of close to Milk Chocolate from Too Faced, which is one of my favorites. I like this one because when I'm super fair and I want to just like throw on bronzer, I can kind of be a little heavy-handed with this one, whereas a lot of bronzers I have to be so gentle and careful because they look really crazy really quick. So this one's really nice. I'm excited to give this one a shot. And then I also got the brush, which is so cute. It says get cheeky with benefit. I feel like I would use this more for blush because I feel like it's just like the perfect little blush size. You could probably like do a less precise contour with it, but I think this is such a cute blush brush. I don't know, maybe it's for bronzer. I got it with bronzer, but how adorable. Yes. So that is the very last item in my little gratis haul. Let me know what you think, and if there are any products here that you would like to see in a video, let me know. I will absolutely do that for you guys. And I've really been loving my little Instagram videos too lately. I want to do more and more. It's just like finding the time. So definitely go check me out on Instagram. It's my same name on here, Amie_Erica. So you can check me out there if you'd like to. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications to see my uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I almost forgot the dad joke. So if you don't like dad jokes, I understand. Thank you for watching. If you do, let's get into it. What did the mountain climber name his son? Cliff. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.